Alright, so seeing as how this table is meant to be a fixturing table, I kind of want to start off with a good table to have good fixturing. So I will be checking multiple times for squareness and don't get any twist in this frame, seeing as how I'm building it on concrete floor. So I will definitely have to work with that. So just for starters, just to get the first piece tacked on, I'm making sure from end to end where I have it, I'm at 90.5 inches, which is where I want it to be. So just making sure I have that. And then I'm also taking a square, making sure that my parts are square where I want them. Then I'm just going to put one tack on there, and that way I'm just going to completely work around my frame. And then once I have those 4 tacks, I'll check it again, square it up, put a couple more tacks on there. Just try and keep it held rigid before I do any heavy welding. Alright, so now that I've got my first 4 tacks, now I'm going to measure both my directions, and I'm also going to cross measure for squareness. So kind of a double check of squareness. So 90.5. Ninety and a half. 40. And 40. So then corner to corner, I should be all right. So 98 7/8. The idea of corner to corner is you really have to hook it and measure it the same. So right on, 98 7/8. So that was luck. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get a couple more tacks on it, just tacks only. And then do it all over again before doing a little bit more heavy welding. So I'm still square, and this time, in order to help control a little distortion, what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld the vertical ones first, and let them cool off. I'm going to go vertical down so I won't have a whole lot of heat into it, but what will happen is I'll still, if need be, I can break these inside tacks on the angle on the miter joint and then square it if I end up coming out of square. But then it's going to provide some strength and reinforcement to keep it from moving when I do the miters. That's the plan anyways. Okay, so some people probably think that it's pretty redundant, all the measuring that we do on this, but in the end there's nothing more disappointing than fully welding a frame only to find that it is out of alignment. Alright, final measurement. Past this, it's not really, highly unlikely I'll try and fix it at this point unless it's really bad. Anyways, I would like to point out I'm diversified using a Lincoln hood, Lincoln coat, which has seen better days, and a Miller welding machine. Alright, so yeah, again, measuring, not that I was really going to cut it apart if it was bad for any reason, but it turned out good, no problem there. Not going to bother showing you guys the next side, it's just a rinse and repeat. So, thanks for watching.